Hello everyone, good day. Muhammad here from beautiful Bahrain. So here is the beautiful, grand and spacious 3-bedroom villa with front yard and backyard. One car park, like 2 cars you can park there. One will be shaded and one outside. This is the entrance. On the right side, here is the living area and it's very spacious, central AC. Sorry, you can park 2 cars and it will be shaded parking. On the back side, here is the laundry room. Closed kitchen. And this is your backyard. And here it is the maid room with attached bathroom. Guest toilet. Main master bedroom. Built-in wardrobe. Main master bedroom, built-in wardrobe, and extra wardrobe also available, and here also wardrobes. Attached bathroom with bathtub. Second bedroom, built-in wardrobes, and third bedroom with built-in wardrobes and cabinets. And this is the common bathroom for 2 bedrooms. Now it's time for the amenities. So here is the amenities: swimming pool, and this side the community area, and gaming area. And here are the kids play area. There is gym also available, but it's locked now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon button. Thank you so much.